Do you want to make a comic? Welcome to this class called Create an Action Plan for Your Comic. My name is Rieke Dijkstra and I make and teach comics. You might know me from my webcomic Recollection City or my YouTube channel or blog about making your own comics. If you've ever wanted to make a comic but you're overwhelmed by the complexity of starting such a large creative project, or if you have multiple ideas for comics but you don't know what kind of comic to make, then this is the class for you. This class will help you to come up with a full plan to help you decide on what kind of comic to make and how you're going to work on this comic. The planning of such a large creative project like a comic can be very daunting. I know this all too well from experience when I first started to work on my own comic. So over the years, I've done a ton of research about project management, about productivity in general, and especially how to apply that to a creative project. The lessons will break down all of the steps that you need to go through to come up with this plan for your comic so that your comic will become doable for you, so that it feels doable for you. And then you can use this framework for any kind of creative project that you do or any comics that you do afterwards. And this action plan will help you set big creative goals, choose a very specific comic project that serves that goal, create milestones for your comic journey to work towards, decide what to work on next, like practically day to day what to work on next, and make a plan on how to work on your comic regularly. You're also going to learn how not to work based on how motivated you feel in the moment, how to get rid of distraction and procrastination, how to keep a project fun in the long run, and how to celebrate your process. So follow along the steps in this class and you will end up with a finished action plan that you can use for your next comic project. All you need is your favorite writing tool. And I would love to see all of your plans in the class projects. So my hope for this class is that it gives you the confidence to start your own comic. In my opinion, there's nothing like telling your own stories through comics. So have fun and good luck.